And ever since Sammy Gyamfi ever trending with $240 million loss through GoldBod, no. Nanka Bonohene say on person be can be. But Herh and come across someone trans na man for kanka e na bufu interior no so no obe can be. Obe can be. Na Bonohene abekire na adwen e wo ho. Me wan kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say ni di mu. Obe like video no other but subscribe button na be click notification con latest update na abekire wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section. So ba so a. No share for Penyah bi ahwe. So nyina wo Herh ana IMF for the buy say GoldBod ya boka. GoldBod akoton gold amagana aboka $214 million. Emma Sammy Gyamfi so GoldBod emoka. It's not only the back and forth. Emma another finding so buy. Emma honorable kujo pon kroma. Of once you be member of parliament. Ono so far findings eba I bet him say chese enye GoldBod na kasa na to gold na mum through a certain company be a newly created company. I friend the Bonohene Company Limited. Omu and say GoldBod ayomu so aggregator omu na to gold any other but you know Kojan Ponkroma had some of his details wrong. The fact that Bonohene and to gold are true. GoldBod one is true. But date for incorporation, Anna, you know, Kojan Ponkroma no wrong. It's because of that, no. Sammy Gyamfi beya no they just know upper hand. Ever got news far on Joy FM and I said Joy News. Ever when I say or churches in a honor and no post certificate and as a license here. You know, Bonohene Company Limited, Omo one Oko Postier. No, Anna joined this for a postier. And I say, PMMC license to Bonohene in 2016. I say, Omu Chema, PMMC for airlines is saying that Bonohene Company no, in 2016. But so her license now. Bonohene Company Limited, no, you could see, say, a paper, Anna Yate, and ye dia talibi be so, and ya trace and ya man ever so. Should that side, baby, actually name of company, ID card number, date of issue, any validity no. You could say yate paper B, and the battle of fro, and ya trade any man ever so. And I feel oh mineral to purchase gold no, na gold. I can tell you say na gold because I said it are the white na tale ho, and ya actually gold no so. I said bibi na tale gold no so. And I feel oh baby actually not to be used by individuals now. Also even PMMC for lines and the logo no one. Not to be used by individuals now. Ako catalog no fan. Meaning say no they are tip paper and abetaso. Next this particular lines is not Sammy Gyamfi kwa tire no. E will join this no master. We can't rely on this. Gentlemen rely on this. We JHS certificate kwa no enye say. And yet disorganized say this is a disorganized way yentimi Ghana a big yentimi trustee way. This is not a trustee. What I say? But next asem no be a Canada abe de ja. Now you know Bonohene what tell her say no see there be. I say that come see me can be but enkofu bi ho hint no me can be. Bonohene final obekere na adwen e wo ensem we ho.
Be reset your mind.
Asami si me madwen sen kamen kasa. Ono bari ko poku na ma me kasa e papa ne kame bu no.
Hey friend.
We are Greek minister, do a Greek.
Yeah.
GoldBod na samaba. Ana o pesa bi Gyamfi post no.
Say anya o te ba na bi ni mpansa.
Yen change ni amane ko GoldBod ni ama Sammy Gyamfi emra Greek ministry ha na.
Ana papa dia na o ka no kuli.
Papa you pa man payina di enti nsam hunu bi ko so wo krom ha na Ghana fo o ka wanu tum.
Ne ka na da ho do.
Sir, GoldBod no, never umiana de baye, and Yahuana de baye. Mampayin John Dramani Mahama, or your vice president, no good in Kruma.
Way boy.
Or to be the GoldBod be back Kruma.
Way boy.
Wabaya Mampayini, no nim gold is a gold who can't it in any to good. I dream of the bar if I go to home.
I've been Cassia so that I've been get 20 years yet.
MPP buy and Eddie PMMC buy.
Kukurudu.
Mobile din kaka and a master son wall, Munye Hute.
Ne ka na da ho do.
PMMC na mo say, they said the friend is help you because your friend is help you on make say MPP Juma mbaye ne yebetwa so. Nti yanko friend GoldBod.
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nteno.
Mobile ye ntobo. PMMC Juma na omo ya, mo ye GoldBod no, ntobo nti no system no se receive run no master no.
Hey.
NMA BOG and running losses. ye wi ase ye nka ho ye dwane yakota baabi ma obi anka ye ma oka bia ma boka
say anya what the band be nim pansa
ma boga na ka bra MPP aban eti akonwa so no mo se da bi after see a free covid mu 2021 e ba no enoma anyina so ye wo fam agudie enti dan ye betimi aye asoman no man na timi agina ne na so.
I ask you to be citizens.
Enti yenya MPP aban a na dwunu mu do e ka se da bi ye to form go fra brochire sidin ye sesa $1 ene ye de koto form go no ene ye sa dia ye fam agudie no ye mfa binko ni ye mfa nkwaje oil e ba ne sa ye sesa $, no emma $, no ho nkwa ahen ekọ ene ho ye den a sabi ene masidi na ho den ba fom
adwin kase so da ya adwin ke to antiase
ene ye de gold for oil buy eno anti MPP aban tena sidin hu sada bi ye ni reserve bia gold na busu wo Ghana ba free mra tintin a ye start ya mamuo ye ko ye ba tons ane ye wo ye only 8 tons enti ma ye reserve sa gold ni bi ye di bi sie aho kyeraba ye betimi aton bi ne ade aso yasene asoman ye betimi aton bi na ye forest reserve sika ye mfa ye sanka this ahokyere bi aba
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
sa GoldBod na uhunu na se kyere nyira no
adwin kase so da ya adwin ke to antiase
before ye beti sa PMMC sa ye pe gold reserve gold for oil no Ghana na fu ba bi enam no because na free covid mu aba na ye tofu wo be 20 Ghana cedis 23 Ghana cedis e wo krum ha
but me
dollar no na ye dwane abusi di no abono flat na da form but after 2022 2023 Ghana for ne me be ya adwen say petrol drop ya about 17 Ghana cedis at the pump station per liter
Etumpan.
I could cross what can say, well, whom fans were at the buyer, and for one na me channel. For the first time, I shank for a bab on 10 about 2 just say, I sent you ya tissue by 10%. Records no
Etumpan.
and he idea some okay can Basano.
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
Yeah, the Eddie man paying. Eh? I can't catch us one cannon tum, yes, setting up.
Wey.
And this is for next satirical poku up. Time.
Wey.
I'm an now what's up.
Jenia kasa.
You bet piano drum, kwa kan GoldBod asem, wo abura asem na ye wasem, abura man fonto, akuafo ya do bi mikuro megu ho, am so mu nyatofo.
ne ka na da hodo
Abura ngumura mesai. Banchi no, egumura mu se ba yire esai. Kwa kan ho asem na bu akuafo. Na akokrama ade a tan se, omu ya no makabrofo aggregator. Brofo fun ben no aggregator. Wa etre say ya, wo bi a wo koto gold no. Na wo Sammy Gyamfi wadua ne se, wo ya akwa o goro boy. Ya se komuram ho na koto gold na fabra.
Washe.
GoldBod art no, be bia ni ho a kase. Say ye fa Bawa Rock for ye pe wo bi na nipa na be nam sini middleman between the GoldBod and the BOG. Sa BOG diskana ma GoldBod we are. So no so dani sikanani na wode ma Bawa Rock. No koto gold ni ba. No nya ntwobom di obedinti.
Washe. Wey.
Mummy and cannot cry Ghana for. Ni enya santro no. Can't tell Sammy Gyamfi I dare him. Sammy Gyamfi. Someone mrabonten. GoldBod art no. He has stated say enya GoldBod for ne beto gold no. Se enyo obi a obeye entamgyinafo a obekwa koto gold no e de abre GoldBod.
ne ka na da hodo
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Be woji for na mamu sikai. Na mo de mamu GoldBod no a. Expectation is somebody koto gold na mo de aba. Moto a gold no ye reserve bi ye de bi sie sabe gold for revenue ni de keka ka ho ye de ye forest reserve be rich mo djuma no Sammy Gyamfi mu ba yam say ye hia middleman aggregator no maka brofo na to aggregator ye ka aggregator wo bi a wo gina mfimfin ento wo a ye de adwuma na ma say ye no wontimi nye
Wey.
ento boni pa ne pa se ko ye adwuma no ebre me by act no e masa kwan no say yempesa middleman.
Way, boy.
And bisa question, major question, basic questions. Sir, aggregator no, kwan ben ye far so far no. Monopoly no more enjoy. That means say we come na be catch say God no minya no 100 Ghana finito. Minya no 50 Ghana finito because on no kwan na this kind of man no say won ko to good in mra.
Wash.
I say you can't say na God no ane ehoro no bra MPP aban etie akonwa so no PMMC omde God ne be ba ne ahohoro bie koragen ye ntwa hu sika and the GoldBod and Sammy Gyamfi and now I say in cry twa hu sika God na ahohoro no cry twa hu sika
Wash.
and to one kofo bi no nipa na e ba what the commission and e ba osu GoldBod no e beduru anaso ato commission ansra bi ogifo anya gold no
Way, boy.
and 2 years back so books me ya na nka ntobo na wote nka books mu anye nka anya dan
You can't wear so very set your mind.
na bi ogi na eboka ni atisade we ho na mpeso beka wo beba ocham so e di asem a wo ye Sammy Gyamfi e di asem a wo ye GoldBod hwan en na gedan
Way, boy.
Sammy Gyamfi is a poor manager. He's a poor CEO. A very bad business person. And when you listen to his commentary on Newsfile, you realize that these guys don't know what they are doing. They are only interested in the commission they are making and running at a loss at the expense of the state. You listen to this.
But we will pursue you for the money. You understand what I get it? So we give the money to that aggregator. Then that aggregator, at his own risk, or at its own risk, now looks for licensed tier 2 buyers of the GoldBod. He is not allowed to finance or to fund a tier 1 buyer because a tier 1 buyer doesn't even have a buying office. But a tier 2 buyer is well structured, has an office. So the GoldBod contract with him says you can fund tier 2 buyers that you find credible at your own risk. So Bower Rock has 53 tier 2 buyers. Licensed by the GoldBod that he funds on a daily basis. Because when you give him the money, he must give the money to other licensees to go and buy gold. That is GoldBod money. These 53 tier 2 licensees also have other tier 2 licensees and tier 1 licensees that they also give the money to supply them. That is how money trickles down in a de-risked manner.
Okay.
So Bower Rock is not the only person funded by the GoldBod. All the licensed buyers get GoldBod funds, but through Bower Rock. If we have 3 aggregators, it will be through all the aggregators. And the 2 aggregators, sometimes you hear people.
You see how he's trying to let you feel that the money goes down. But let me tell you, if BOG has given you money as GoldBod, the most stupid thing you can do is to give that money to one individual for that money to trickle down. Then what is the essence of setting up a whole institution called the GoldBod? If GoldBod could not have units or department to take care of tier 1, tier 2, that money has come from BOG. Let's look at how we can give tier 2, or tier 2 can cough the gold and we give them money. That is the problem. That is bad business. Because at the end of the day, all the losses you are going to make is going to be on BOG. Why? Because one person holds the money. That person has an interest in making profits. That person is giving the money to another person to go and look for gold at tier 2. And that tier 2 is also doing what? He's also going to look for interest or profit. So by the time it goes back to BOG, yes, BOG will pay you your commission to show that you are making surplus at GoldBod. But the value of the gold would have skyrocketed. The value in terms of price would have skyrocketed. And so if BOG are giving you money to buy gold worth $300,000, what you are going to do is that with commissions and things that BOG is going to pay to you, it's going to go up to about $320,000. What sort of business is this? You are making losses at the expense of BOG, Bank of Ghana, taxpayers' money. And you are happy declaring that you are making surplus. Whilst you know that it's an individual who is not part, but rather licensed. And you see, one of the part that this business procedure is even wrong is that when it comes to gold, it is not the bank guarantee that you are able to cough out, but the availability of the product. The most important qualification for any gold buyer as an aggregator should have been that you have a certain amount of gold available and can have that amount of gold at every point in time. It's not about bank guarantee. So, Sammy Gyamfi, please. Oh, boy, my neck, oh, boy, my neck. And I'm OG commissioner and I am debt. I'm saying today, some boy, my neck.
Enti GoldBod CEO Sammy Gyamfi already wedding kind I can say no baby say the GoldBod is not meant to make profits. That is indirectly no GoldBod near say emebo Ghana ka inti first year in 9 months. IMF debate to say in 9 months GoldBod aboka $214 million no. Obetna TV so ebechichi match Ghana for asa be kan through bi no the brofo kese bi anase flyer da so bi media so won say e popa na brofo e de gusu ne say we say IMF is what hallucinating na me tell say brofo nam say na brofo we de e bere na me na me ma atimi ate ase empo emaburu ni bebre onya adaje so enko internet so enko hwese hallucinating na Sammy Gyamfi e ka ho asem na se kire se na ye ka se hallucinating na Sammy Gyamfi so kire se IMF one or more madwene ni de omu feeling ni de omu susu say sa na tie ana wo ho na emom in real situation enye sa na tie na che say me breaking down the abaye ka say ma as kire ne say the otinija ho ana nim say decision ne fa nti wugina akire na obi tinija ho a you may think say the jana deri die shini panepa but the oti ho ne de wu hu ni sa na Sammy Gyamfi person kire in the hallucinating way that fly away akosopa na ero na me kire say di atem kesi ya Sammy Gyamfi so di Ghana fo nyina fi se wo kana sa de a ene na hu hia se ye bebo aban bi achi if he says sa aban kro no dwumadi a odi no ono enim se de otinija ho ene onim se de sisi ne fa nti sa ranting beblebe ne mo ba back in 2024 bibia na mo betena TV so mo sa tena TV so di TV Ghana fo wi na mo sa akogara se sa ko di si wo ho no ne kwan se mo ye if he say then government no so no de na ote ho no no onim se de si ye de sisi ne fa wa na wote akire na wo nim di wu enti eniku asen kenye ke bo aban bi achi batene sisi NDC fo ne aban we pese kire se bibi ekoso ne nkoyie na akoka omo se menka because o se bibi so ekoyie so de omoye no de bibi koso o ka ho asema da bia de ntin so o ka ho asem de ekoyie no mom na wo so we de o ka ho asem de nkoyie ne de ekora bibi ekoyie wa ha. That is what they are telling Ghanaians. What they are saying, it's Ubeko media, no, obi a post, no, because here the subject matter, no, official subject matter, no, NDC for that is what they are doing. Obeko obi post as here, obi training as a fact, the subject matter, there be, obeko control the opposite. Obeko control the work campus, and that is what they are doing to convince Ghanaians, and I say to confuse Ghanaians of this fantasy governance. Now, me say the good people of Ghana, so now coming 2028. Enipe ebeko je obe doso papa.
The NDC for the Baba Kromu Hasei. Abuzia NDC the omode baba Kromu Hasei. Me say en tokwa chene en omode baba Kromu Hasei. Yahunu bi pen o, yahunu bi pen. NDC tena ho e develop homegrown solutions e de koto IMF anim. Before Ansana Omube free Abamu 2015, 2016. Akufuado bae na akufuado be kun omoka. Abusia yo yate enten koda. Akufuado enso eko eno ono nso jamo IMF. Say muka kire ye say IMF no more per extension kyerɛ sɛ nneɛma IMF ɛne mo ayɛ ama ɛyɛ Ghana economy ayɛ sɛ egyina hɔ kakra no egyina ne nan so baako kakra no mo per extension yo yate ene se IMF beka se Sammy Gyamfi aboka GoldBod eka susuro a ene IMF na moto ntasuo kokogu ne so nyasa enyasa IMF no a dane mo kakra sene ebe ya monto form because we all know say economy no ye jaima mo nko a mo de beko eye dichim mo de beko dichim ene Sammy Gyamfi timi kwotena national television eka se IMF is hallucinating ena mo nyina mote ho na mo tirinko ena mo bo mo tirinko ko yo sa sika no a omode maye no we have to pay sa sika no a omode maye no a time is coming mo extending is say yo mo extendio we will have to pay na mo de mo nkeka nsɛmfo nkyerɛ wo mo ne se ejigu biewu a ejigu biemu a say nobody can run an economy without the economy experiencing hardship for 4 years ye aboa no motena ne so atwansuo awie se mo se aboa no natikopo na nopo enye saa yo monyere mo ho na se Sammy Gyamfi te ho a GoldBod nsensemi emko awieye na osabo ekani bi gu ho every month bia over $30 million no yo yese monyere mo ho na mo de munidi wo mo atem ebe kakra ye be
nsem a Bonohene oya adwuma asase radio owoka so far as $214 million loss through GoldBod your concern. Ubet material wa adwuma mame e wo comment section. I Penyah Media. Accra.